So today I just wanted to talk quickly about the window fasteners on the side of your car. So typically you got a hot rod, it can kind of, the door looks like this, right? You've made a little frame come around here. I made this one. It was very difficult to do. I actually had to do it twice. The first set I didn't like. But I've got machine screws and nuts holding this window on so that if I ever need to take the window off, I can disassemble it without destroying stuff. But I wanted the look of the rivets on the sides here because that's what I have in the rest of the vehicle. Anyways, I'm going to show you how I did it. Makes it look, I think pretty professional job. Of course, I just did it in here in the garage. But anyways, that's what this video is about today. Hopefully it'll help somebody out, maybe give you some ideas. Okay, here it is. So I started with a regular rivet like this, then knocked the pin out of it, and I just put it in a vise and knocked the pins out. And then I made this tool here. This is a scrap piece of plastic that I had, nylon, and I took a Forstner bit, I counterbored it the same diameter as the head, and then what happens after I knock the pin out, and I put the rivet in here, and I drilled a hole all the way through it, the right size, so the little stub on the end just drilled through right size. This would just drop off of there, so that I'm left with this. So I made this, like I said, this holder because I want to keep it from spinning. I don't want to tear up the outside edge of it. So I use something like this, clamp it down. It holds it tight. I go to my drill press, grab my countersink, I made a bunch of them. This one's starting to spin a little. Got a better white on it here. Good sharp countersink is good to have. And I just use these 4mm socket heads, flathead screws. Drop right in there. And then when I fasten it down, that's what it's going to look like. This one needs to go a little deeper. That's the look I was looking for. Easy to do. Just takes a little bit of time. I had 28 of them to do. Okay, so that's how I made those little washers out of rivets, so that I could use threaded fasteners in my windows. I hope it helps you out. I'm just throwing out ideas, things that I did that might be able to help somebody from my trial and error. I've tried a couple different things I didn't like, so this is the best I could come up with. So, maybe it'll help you out. Give you some ideas how to do things. I'm also going to do a video coming up on, I'm going to talk about, these window net bars in here. So that's going to be probably one of my next videos. I bought a kit to hang a window net in there, and the thing was like way too long. They make it so you got to weld the tab on there. Didn't like it at all. That's going to be one of my upcoming videos. So anyways, hope this stuff helps you out a little bit. Give me a like and subscribe if you find any of this stuff interesting. And also there's a link down there in the bottom where you can buy me a beer if you want. Okay, thanks. We'll see you next time.